Smart homes are no longer a thing of the future. They're here, and they're amazing. In this video, we'll explore 20 smart home gadgets for 2025 that will completely transform how you live, work, and relax. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your tech-loving friends, and let us know your favorite gadget in the comments below. Window Cleaning Robot, the effortless solution for spotless windows, designed to make your cleaning routine a breeze. With just one press of a button, this lightweight robot starts cleaning automatically. No more tedious scrubbing or manual effort required. Equipped with dual water spray and atomized nozzles, it pre-moistens the stains for a deeper, more thorough clean, ensuring your windows shine like new. Choose from 3 intelligent cleaning paths, allowing the robot to detect window frames and obstacles or manually guide it for extra attention on heavily soiled areas. The Sun's My Robot also features a large capacity 50 milliliter water tank, cleaning larger areas without the need to refill, boosting efficiency and saving you time. The sleek and discreet smart lock that combines security and style, seamlessly integrating with your existing door hardware. Access your home effortlessly by tapping your iPhone or Apple Watch with your Apple Home key stored in your Apple Wallet. With the included Level Connect Wi-Fi bridge, you can lock, unlock, and view live activity from anywhere using the Level Home app, all with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. Works with Apple HomeKit, Google Home, and Alexa, so you can lock, unlock, and even set automations using just your voice. Govee Smart Plug, designed to help you take control of your home appliances while saving energy and reducing waste. Monitor your energy usage in real time through the Govee Home app, where you can track power, current, and voltage with daily, weekly, monthly, and even yearly data reports. With stable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can control your appliances remotely, ensuring your home is never dark again, no matter where you are. Enjoy the convenience of voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to power on your coffee maker or appliances with just a simple command. Safety is a priority. Govee Smart Plug is ETL certified, made from fire-resistant materials and rated for high-power appliances like coffee makers, giving you peace of mind with every use. Tabletop Fire Pit, a stylish, portable fireplace that brings the cozy ambience of a campfire right to your table. Enjoy extended burn times with its dual high-quality combustion chambers. Switch them out effortlessly using the included stainless steel tongs for non-stop flames. Customize your experience with adjustable flame rings, offering up to 90 minutes of burn time without a ring, or up to 4 hours with one. Perfect for any occasion. Bring the charm of a campfire to your dining table, balcony, or garden, and elevate your gatherings with Flamtile's safe and elegant design. UV Toothbrush Holder, a smart and hygienic solution for your family's oral care needs. This holder keeps up to 5 toothbrushes separated, sanitized with UV light, and dries them with a built-in turbo fan to prevent humidity buildup. With a rechargeable battery, it's perfect for bathrooms without outlets. A single charge offers up to 50 uses, and you can choose between 200 or 400 second modes with just a press of a button. Designed for family safety, it automatically stops UV light when the cover is opened, ensuring peace of mind for all users. Say hello to the SwitchBot Bot, the ultimate solution to upgrade your home's intelligence without replacing your appliances. This universal button pusher works with most rocker switches and one-way buttons, perfect for coffee machines, air conditioners, or even garage doors. And don't worry about tough installations. It sets up in just 5 seconds with a 3M sticker. With the SwitchBot app, you can schedule timers to automate lights or appliances even when you're away. You can integrate it into Apple HomeKit for the ultimate smart home experience. Pair it with other SwitchBot products to build an interconnected smart home ecosystem. Introducing the Jar Warmer, the perfect solution for keeping your coffee, milk, and candles at the ideal temperature, safely and efficiently. Enjoy your favorite candle scents without the worry of flames, as this electric jar warmer gently melts wax to release a delightful aroma, all while keeping your space safe. not just for candles. This warmer doubles as a coffee temperature keeper. Tap to control the heat and keep your drink at the perfect temperature of 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 149 degrees Fahrenheit. With a 4-hour automatic shut-off and an indicator ring to warn you when it's hot, the Aeromara jar warmer makes sure you never leave it on by accident, offering peace of mind and convenience. Upgrade your kitchen with the Eco Smart Trash Can, featuring premium motion sensor technology for effortless, hands-free lid operation. Crafted with a sleek matte metallic finish and fingerprint-resistant stainless steel, it stays clean and complements any home decor style. With a no-liner design, you get 25% more capacity, perfect for busy households. Plus, the Stay Open button makes cleanups a breeze. Effortless, stylish, and smart, the Eco Smart Trash Can is your ultimate kitchen upgrade. LED night light, offering 3 adjustable brightness levels to create the perfect ambience for bedrooms, nurseries, and hallways. Equipped with smart light sensing technology, it automatically turns on and off based on ambient brightness. Convenient and energy efficient. Its sleek, modern design adds a stylish touch to any room, blending seamlessly into your living room, kitchen, or bedroom decor. Compact and versatile, this gentle nightlight is perfect for stairways, bathrooms, and more, lighting your way with ease. Air diffuser humidifier. A stunning combination of ultrasonic aromatherapy and mesmerizing flame-like mist. Designed for essential oils, it disperses your favorite scents while maintaining the perfect level of humidity in your room, home, or office. With 2 adjustable brightness levels, create the perfect ambiance for relaxation, focus, or sleep, all while enjoying a warm flame effect. Water leak detector, a smart solution that protects your home with real-time monitoring. Connect the hub to your Wi-Fi and instantly receive alerts on your mobile app, even if you're away. It works seamlessly with 2.4G Wi-Fi and has a range of up to 200 meters. Get notified through app alerts, emails, or SMS for double protection, so you'll never miss a critical flooding event. It's also IFTT compatible for added convenience. Adjustable alerts give you control over alarm volume and duration, while the mute function lets you silence it with a press of a button or via the app. Safeguard your home with the water leak detector, a reliable, easy-to-use device that keeps water damage at bay. Drio 25-inch ceramic space heater, fast heating, extended range, and perfect for large rooms. Safety is built in with flame-retardant material, tip-over protection, and a child lock, making it secure for everyone. Whisper quiet at just 32 decibels, it's ideal for bedrooms or workspaces, offering undisturbed comfort. With precise temperature control, wide-angle oscillation, and multiple heating modes, it's versatile for every need. Stay cozy all winter with the Drio Space Heater. Doorbell Camera, featuring 40% sharper image quality than 2K, even in low light or bright conditions. Say goodbye to false alerts. Triple motion detection technology and intelligent human tracking ensure you only get notified for what matters most. Store up to 60 days of footage with no monthly fees, thanks to 8 GB built-in memory. Access your videos anytime, anywhere. Enjoy 180 days of uninterrupted coverage with a single charge, thanks to its efficient, low-power wireless connection. With a 166-degree field of view, you'll see everything from head to toe, or even packages on the ground, ensuring no blind spots at your front door. Touchless wall-mounted soap dispenser, featuring a smart infrared sensor for a no-touch, mess-free experience. The non-drip design ensures zero waste, while the 600 milliliter capacity means fewer refills and more convenience. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, offices, and more, it works with liquid soaps, lotions, shampoos, and even detergents. Powered by 4 AA batteries, it offers a year-long hassle-free operation, saving energy and keeping things efficient. Save space, stay clean, and elevate your space with this sleek, versatile soap dispenser. Convenience at its best. Upgrade your spa or bathroom experience with the Zadro Large Towel Warmer. Standing 21 inches tall and holding up to 2 oversized towels, robes, or even blankets. Made with a durable stainless steel tub, it resists corrosion and buildup, ensuring long-lasting performance for your luxury needs. Built-in cord storage keeps your space tidy, and the power surge protection system offers peace of mind with every use. Whether for your bathroom, spa, or bedroom, the Zadro Large Towel. Warmer redefines comfort with style and practicality. Smart Coffee Table. A multifunctional centerpiece with dual temperature refrigerated drawers offering 135 liters of cooling space, adjustable from 37 to 54 degrees Fahrenheit. Take your parties to the next level with built-in 20-watt Bluetooth speakers and RGB lights that sync with your music for a vibrant, immersive experience. Stay powered up with the integrated charging station featuring 15-watt wireless charging, USB-A and C ports, dual 110-volt outlets, and a safety switch. Enjoy versatile storage with sliding boxes and partitions in the cooling drawers, perfect for keeping your food and drinks organized. Amazon Basics Smart LED Bulbs. Convenient, energy efficient, and controllable through Alexa or the Alexa app. Just screw in the bulb, open the Alexa app, and start controlling your lights. No hubs, third-party apps, or extra steps required. Adjust brightness from 5% to 100% with simple voice commands like Alexa, dim the lamp to 50% to suit any mood or time of day. Control your lights from anywhere with the Alexa app. Schedule routines for added security, making it look like someone's home even when you're away. This is Wireless Weather Station, offering real-time data on rainfall, wind speed, direction, pressure, humidity, and temperature. Enjoy crystal clear visibility with the 6.5-inch LCD display featuring large fonts and an adjustable backlight for easy reading in any light. Set multiple alarms for key metrics like temperature and wind speed. Visual and audible alerts keep you informed of critical weather changes. An ideal gift for weather enthusiasts, this station helps monitor conditions while safeguarding your loved ones, home, and plants. The Sensi Smart Thermostat, designed to protect your privacy while delivering energy-efficient comfort. Sensi won't sell your personal information to third parties. DIY installation is a breeze with the built-in level and step-by-step app guidance. Plus, no common wire is required in most setups. DIY installation is a breeze with the built-in level and step-by-step app guidance. Plus, no common wire is required in most setups. Introducing the AOSU Wireless Cam Pro system, featuring true 2K HD resolution with 60% sharper detail than 1080p, ensuring picture-perfect clarity day and night. Enjoy a 166-degree ultra-wide-angle view with advanced distortion-free lenses, capturing every corner of your property for complete home security. Stay one step ahead with instant smart alerts for people arriving, passing, or lingering, and preview images to react quickly to potential threats. Powered by a high-capacity battery, the AOSU camera delivers up to 240 days of security on a single charge, reducing frequent recharges. Enhance your coverage with camera-to-camera sync, automatically linking footage across multiple devices for easy playback and comprehensive evidence.